Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google account security. And in today's video, I will show you how to create a passkey for Google account security, whether Gmail or Google account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to log into your Gmail account or open the Chrome browser. The next thing you want to do is to navigate to your profile right here. Go ahead and click on Manage Your Google Account. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Sign In Security. Then go ahead and click on two-factor verification. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do here, you have passkey and security key. Go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. Create a passkey for advanced protection. Passkey are easy to set up and let your secure account to your Google account using let your fingerprint, etc. Just go ahead and click on create a passkey right here. Create a passkey. This passkey will be saved to this particular Microsoft Word Pass Manager, making it safe and easy to access to across your devices. What you need to do is to go ahead and click on create right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.